Hello, we are Takuya Fujiyoshi and Atsushi Mori. We will introduce about the nature of Fudai Lake. The reason why we want to introduce Fudai Lake is that it is a famous place at Osaka Prefecture University and a place where students can study or talk with their friends. This is Fudai Lake. This diameter is about 100 meters and circumference is about 380 meters. It takes 5 minutes to walk around it. Many reeds and waterweeds are grown in there.
In Fudai Lake, weeds are growing like floating islands, but these are nominated for specific alien species by Environment Agency. These must be exterminated in winter because this propagation power is strong, especially from spring to summer. Many kinds of trees are grown around these, especially a lot of cherry blossoms bloom in spring, so many students hold ohanami by there. When you look this picture, you will think that Fudai Lake is so dirty and spoiled, but in fact, its water quality feels the standard of drinking water. After the school festival in spring, a man is excited in a festival and jumping in the lake, but we cannot guarantee safety, so please don't follow.
Next, we will introduce creatures of Fudai Lake. This is a white heron. White heron is about 60 centimeters long and very beautiful. White heron eats fish and insects and comes to Fudai Lake to hunt foods. White heron is called shirasagi in Japanese. There is the name of place which called Shirasagi near Osaka Prefecture University. Two names are called. The reason why this place is called Shirasagi is that there were rice fields about 45 years ago and many white herons were seen.
This is shrike. Shrike is about 20 centimeters, small and very cute. Shrike is called Mozu in Japanese. There is the name of place Nakamozu. Osaka Prefecture University is in Nakamozu. Naka is Japanese, and it means inside in English. The reason of the name of place is that Shrike got out of the deer's ear after the Mikado shot a deer in the old days. Mikado means Japanese emperor. It is very funny story. It seems that there is a close connection between the two birds and the name of places. This is a spot-billed duck. A brace of spot-billed ducks can be often seen in Fudai Lake. A lot of dragonflies are flying. Especially red dragonfly is very cool and colorful. Damselfly is very thin and cute.
Thank you very much for watching our movie. We hope you enjoyed.